print interest. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to put scanner class. Enter. New scanner. Enter. System.init. Now integer. Not float. First of all, shout how much speech you have. So now float as equal to as dot next float and then shout how much speech. Shout how much interest do you need? How much interest? Again, float n equal to acid dot next float. So now what we are going to do is just to shout again after interest how much year of interest and now the real start thing float b equal to ac dot next obviously floating dot. Now what we have to do is interest is done now. Let's do it. No need of that. How much year of interest and now t equal to that float t equal to this s where is multiply and multiply b divide by 100 f means float. Now how much amount total amount equal to how much speech s plus right now t. So shout a plus no the total interest is plus the total interest is a. So now let's see. How much speech you have? I have this much. Actually, I don't have. How much percent? You have to write 11. Be careful. 11.75%. Where is percent? Enter. I think so. I think so like this. How much year of interest? 1 year. 254.952.7 is the interest. So yes, this much interest. Hmm. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. So which I'll do once more time. One ten hundred thousand, 1,10,100,000, 2,000 lakh. Bruh. How much interest I have? So I have 11.75. I don't have really that much. How much year of interest? 1 year. 32,000. This much. But oh, so this much each. So thank you guys for watching this video.